Best coffee makers comparison. Coffee makers are an essential appliance for millions of households, offering convenience and consistency for brewing the perfect cup of coffee. With options ranging from budget-friendly drip machines to premium programmable models, selecting the right coffee. List number 1. The Black Decker 12-cup digital coffee maker is an affordable and reliable option for households seeking a straightforward drip coffee machine. With features like quick-touch programming, a sneak-a-cup function, and a washable filter, this model is designed for convenience. Its 12-cup Duralife glass carafe is durable and easy to handle, while the front-facing water window ensures accurate filling. The matte black finish gives it a sleek, modern look suitable for most kitchen decors. During testing, the Black Decker impressed with its consistent brewing performance and intuitive controls. The Sneak-a-Cup feature is particularly useful for impatient coffee drinkers, allowing a quick pour mid-brew without mess. However, the non-stick Keep Hot plate struggled to maintain optimal coffee temperature beyond 90 minutes. This model is best suited for casual coffee drinkers or families who prioritize affordability and simplicity over advanced features. List number 2. The Cuisinart DCC3200P1 coffee maker stands out with its advanced brewing technology and customizable features. Offering a 14-cup capacity, brew strength control, and a fully programmable interface, this stainless steel model is ideal for coffee enthusiasts. The Brew Pause feature allows users to enjoy a cup mid-cycle, while the Easy View water window simplifies filling. Its decorative carafe handle adds a touch of elegance to its design. Performance-wise, the Cuisinart delivers hotter coffee without compromising flavor, thanks to its temperature control technology. The bold brew setting produces rich, full-bodied coffee, making it perfect for those who prefer stronger flavors. However, the larger size and heavier weight may be cumbersome for smaller kitchens. This coffee maker is ideal for users who value customization and premium build quality. List number. The Ninja CE251 coffee brewer combines versatility and ease of use, offering 2 brew styles, classic and rich, and a 12-cup glass carafe. Features like a removable water reservoir, adjustable warming plate, and mid-brew pause make it a practical choice for daily use. Its sleek stainless steel exterior is both durable and aesthetically pleasing. In testing, the Ninja impressed with its brewing consistency and user-friendly design. The small batch function ensures flavorful coffee even when brewing only 1 to 4 cups, while the removable reservoir simplifies refilling. However, the warming plate's adjustable settings were not as effective as expected, with coffee cooling faster than advertised. This model is ideal for families or individuals seeking a mid-range coffee maker with customizable brew options. List 4. The Ninja DCM201BK coffee maker is a premium option with advanced brewing technology and a 14-cup capacity. Features like a freshness timer, variable warming plate, and removable water reservoir make it highly functional. The black stainless steel finish adds a modern touch to its design, while the programmable settings allow users to prepare coffee up to 24 hours in advance. This model excelled in delivering ultra-flavorful coffee with even saturation and temperature control. The freshness timer is a standout feature, providing real-time feedback on the coffee's quality. However, its higher price and larger footprint may deter budget-conscious buyers. This coffee maker is ideal for users who frequently entertain guests or value premium features in their appliances. List 5. The Terra Coffee TK02 is a high-end super automatic espresso machine designed for coffee aficionados. With app-enabled customization, automatic wake-sleep functionality, and over 100,000 drink combinations, this machine offers unparalleled versatility. It can brew authentic drip coffee and espresso, catering to diverse preferences. The sleek white design and touchscreen interface further enhance its premium appeal. While the Terra Coffee delivers exceptional coffee quality, its steep price and advanced features make it best suited for serious coffee enthusiasts. The app integration allows seamless customization, but casual users may find the setup overwhelming. Its substantial weight and size also limit portability. This model is perfect for users who prioritize precision and variety in their coffee experience.